When pigs fly. When pigs fly is an idiom used to say that something is highly unlikely to happen or impossible. People also use pigs might fly and flying pig. Examples: politicians will stop lying when pigs fly. He will admit he was wrong when pigs fly. Do you think our team will win the match? Yes, flying pig. One day I'll become a successful actor, and pigs might fly.